Hey everyone, this is Nick. This video is for you, Kathie. My friend Kathie gave an awesome lightning talk at work recently, and we have these lightning talks that people do, but she started her presentation with this super fun, engaging slide. I don't think anybody realized that she probably made it in PowerPoint, and I asked her if I could use it for inspiration for a topic of one of our videos here. I'm going to show you how I thought about making a slide like this, and I actually have 3 different treatments that I want you to choose in the comments below. Which one do you like best? 1, 2, or 3. This is number 1 right here. This is number 2. It's a white background with the lightning, the video of lightning kind of inside the text. And here's number 3, a black background, outline lightning, lightning talk in letters very lightly, a really nice effect. So I'm going to escape out of this slide. And I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and try and make this slide from scratch. So I'm going to insert a new slide here. The first thing I want to do is insert the video. It's just a big video on the background, and I got it from Microsoft Stock Library. So let's go up to the Insert tab, and then all the way over here to Video, Stock Videos. Here's the library. If you have Microsoft 365, I'm going to go ahead and type in lightning. Just kind of search for that. It gives me one video, so I'm going to select it and insert it. It will fill the background of my slide. Now, when I play this in slideshow mode, I want it to play automatically, and I want it to continue to loop. So I'm going to select the video, and I want to make sure to go to the Playback tab and make sure under Start it says automatically. It already does. And make sure this Loop Until Stopped is selected too. That's going to make sure that the video keeps on looping and doesn't just finish, because it's a very short clip right here. When you're in the normal editing view here, you can see it's a video because this little playback tab pops up down here, this little play runner, and I can go ahead and push play right there, and it will play the video for me. Now, the way in which we got that lightning talk text on is just by inserting a manual text box. You should insert a manual text box. It should not be the text from a normal text placeholder from a slide that you have in PowerPoint. Make sure you're inserting the text manually, because this will come into play when we use the merge shapes tools later on. So let's go ahead and insert our text box, manual text box right here. I'm just going to go ahead and type in lightning talk. It's black right here, but looks like I probably misspelled something there. Not a shock for anybody who knows me. Oops, let's see, lightning. And actually, maybe let's make it all caps. Lightning talk, and I want this font to be something really thick, so I like to use Aptos Black. The black fonts are usually really chunky, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag this, make this text box a little bit larger here, so it's going to fill the entire slide, and then we're just going to increase the font size to as much as I can get it. Maybe I'm going to center align the text, and then let's see if I just spread this out a little bit, that G comes back. Now let's use the alignment tools to make sure the text title is in the middle and the center of our slide. So go to Arrange, Align, Center, Arrange, Align, and Middle. Very nice. Now, that's actually all we need to do for this slide. It's just white text on top of that video. When I play it in slideshow mode, this is what it looks like. I think this is a really, really nice effect. People might not even realize you made it in PowerPoint, this option either. So this is option number 1. Now, once you get this treatment right here with the video and the text, what we're going to do is you're going to make sure that you select the video first, hold down Shift, and then click on the text. So both of those things are highlighted. And then what we're going to use is the Merge Shapes tools. Now, where are we going to find the Merge Shapes tools? Usually, if you're merging 2 shapes together, you will see that the Format Shape menu pops up on the ribbon. We don't have it in this case because we have a video. So what you're going to have to do is make sure that your Merge Shapes menu is on the Quick Access toolbar. I have that one right here. You can see right there. If you don't know how to get it there, here's one way. Go up to the Search tab here and type in Merge Shapes. You can just type in Merge, and Merge Shapes will probably pop up under Actions. You can either use Merge Shapes from here or right-click and add it to your Quick Access toolbar, the QAT. Mine is grayed out because I've already added it to my QAT. So I'm going to get out of this and make sure you do that. Once these things are selected, we're going to unveil that Merge Shapes tools. And now what I'm going to do is go down to Intersect. And intersecting basically puts the video inside of that text. So I'm going to click it. And now you can see it's created a new video, but it's just inside the text. So I could push play here, and you can see that lightning there. Now let's go back to that video playback tab and make sure. Now you can see here it says start. It defaulted to when clicked on. I want to make sure that it says automatically. Perfect. Okay. Now here's another option. I'm going to duplicate that slide just so that we see it. Let's go ahead and just click on the video. Now you can see basically now you can you can actually format this video like you would any other shape. So we could actually do something different with maybe the shadow effect background, or we could do something with the outline of the letter. So that's what I'm gonna do here. With the video selected, you're gonna wanna make sure the Format Video tab is open, that menu. If it's not, you're gonna right click and say Format Video. Then go to the paint bucket, and then under line, under border, it says no line. There's no border around that text right now, but you could say solid line, and I'm gonna go ahead and just make it be a pretty light shade of gray. We're gonna update it to that because I wanna now fill the background of my slide with black. So with nothing selected, you can see the Format Background menu pops up there. Right now it's set to solid fill, it's white, and we're just gonna turn everything black. And now you can see that gray outline there on my video. And since we've already set this to playback automatically, perfect. Oh, I also want to say loop until stopped. That's going to be something good that we should attend to. I'm going to go ahead and put this into slideshow mode and see what it looks like. Very nice effect. What a cool effect this is. This one is number 3. So we have option 1, which I like. We have option 2, which I really like. I think this one is going to be the most impressive. And we have option 3, which is also impressive, but might be a little bit harder for your audience to read. So I kind of am gravitating towards option 2. What would your option be? Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate the inspiration, Kathie. Thanks again for everything and your thought partnership and everything that you do for us at work. We could not live without you. And everyone else out there, I hope that you like this video. Subscribe, make sure to hit the bell. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Had a great time making this for you, and I cannot wait to see you next time.